2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners BMW G310R. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 BMW G310R stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a perfect synthesis of modern design, sophisticated engineering, and accessible performance. Renowned for its dynamic character and user-friendly features, the G310R caters to novice riders seeking an entry-level motorcycle that not only mirrors the renowned BMW engineering but also provides an exhilarating and enjoyable riding experience. 1. Contemporary and urban design. The BMW G310R boasts a contemporary and urban design that reflects the brand's commitment to both aesthetics and functionality. With sleek lines, distinctive asymmetrical headlights, and premium finishes, the G310R exudes a modern and dynamic presence. The bike's design not only appeals to riders seeking a stylish look but also sets the stage for a dynamic and visually engaging riding experience. 2. Potent and efficient single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the G310R is a spirited 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers a potent yet manageable performance. The engine's smooth power delivery and ample torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The G310R offers enough power to provide an exciting ride while ensuring a controlled and accessible experience for those in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. 3. Nimble and agile handling. Weighing in at a modest figure, the G310R features a lightweight chassis that contributes to nimble and agile handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for smooth maneuvering through city streets and precise control on winding roads. The G310R's balanced handling encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a versatile and engaging riding experience in various urban environments. 4. Comfortable riding ergonomics. The G310R's rider-centric design extends to its ergonomics, providing a comfortable and neutral riding position. The bike features an upright seating posture, well-positioned handlebars, and a well-padded seat, creating an ergonomic setup that caters to both short city commutes and longer rides. The G310R's comfortable design enhances the overall riding experience, ensuring that beginners can enjoy the journey without unnecessary strain. 5. Innovative features and technology. Tailored for modern riders, the G310R incorporates innovative features and technology that elevate the riding experience. The bike may include a digital instrument cluster, providing riders with essential information in a clear and concise manner. Additionally, advanced safety features may come standard, offering an added layer of confidence for riders, especially those new to motorcycling. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 BMW G310R stands as a testament to BMW's commitment to providing an exciting and sophisticated entry point into the world of motorcycling. Its contemporary design, potent single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and innovative features make it an ideal option for beginners seeking a dynamic and engaging riding experience. Whether navigating city streets, carving through urban landscapes, or simply enjoying the thrill of two wheels, the G310R offers a versatile and supportive platform for novice enthusiasts. As a reflection of BMW's dedication to crafting motorcycles that blend performance with accessibility, the 2024 BMW G310R rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.